Now this is how you can change your mouse cursor on your Mac computer. So what you have to do is to locate and get inside your settings app like this, and then you will be probably in the general section, and right below this one you can go to accessibility like this. And part of accessibility, just click on a display right in here. It's part of the vision section, so click on a display like that and just scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to get to the pointer section. And there is an accessibility feature, for example, shake mouse to locate the pointer. This is what I'm currently showing you right now, but you can also change the pointer size with this slider in here. You can see that I had it almost at the smallest one, but you can have it however you like it. And you can also change the outline color as well as the fill color. So the fill color is black. As you can see, most of the cursor is in the black color, and there is the white outline to separate it from the background a little bit nicer, right? So that's what you can change about it as well. When you click on it, you will essentially get the color picker of all sorts to pick the color you want. But if you ever want to make it come back, you can click on reset colors and it's going to choose the white outline and the black color. So that's essentially it. That's how you can change the pointer in terms of the way that it looks. Of course, outside of that, you can also go to the mouse section within the settings and change some things regarding the clicks and pointer as well. But this is a little bit different. Let me know if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next videos in the future.